Hello and welcome to this month's real estate market update in luxury real estate. It's end of March and time again for another market update in luxury real estate. I don't know if you're following the market or not, but there are a lot of news going on. So depends on which channel you're watching or listening to. You may hear good news or bad news, and sometimes maybe not so good or not so bad. So the real estate market actually is different. Market to market is different. State to state, even city to city, even neighborhood to neighborhood is different. So that's why it's better actually to consult an expert like me to make your real estate dream come true. If you want to sell your house, so we can sell it quick and for higher than the traditional market. And we have been proven this. We have over 1900 Google 5-star Google review, and we sell it for 8 to 12% higher than the traditional. I know market is changing, market is shifting, and many real estate agents, maybe they don't know how to do it, how to adapt with this market, because many of them, they came on the market, they came into real estate market when the market was booming, and as soon as we listed the house, we got like several offers, sometimes in a few hours, the house actually was sold. But now it's totally different market. It's not like a few years ago. It's not even like last year. So that's why it's very, very important for you, if you want to sell your house or you want to buy or you want to change, sell and buy, upsize, downsize, whatever you want to do, we can help you, we can assist you and give you enough information so you can make informed decision about your real estate dreams to come true. So now it's time for reviewing the numbers from February, because as you know, the numbers come out a little bit later. For luxury real estate, it's a little bit later than the regular market, because premier market, usually the numbers we get faster. But for real estate market, that we get the numbers, the statistics from Institute for Luxury Homes Marketing, usually is at the end of the month, and we talk about the previous month. So you get a good idea to see what happened in past 13 months, and especially compared to the previous months. And now you can make your decision to sell your house, buy a house, sell or buy, downsize, upsize, change your location, whatever your plan may be. So let's dive in the numbers and see what's going on in the luxury real estate market. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please go ahead, subscribe it so you're not going to miss any other video. Subscribe and click the bell shape button, so when we update any video, it notifies you and you're not gonna miss any video. And as you know, the market is changing a lot, it's shifting, so it's better actually to stay up to date. Even if you're not selling now or buying now, it's better to stay up to date. And there are so many other things in real estate going on that we can give you information so you can keep your house up to date. And when you want to sell it, then it's going to be ready and you can sell it for higher price. If you don't pay attention, if you don't keep the maintenance of your home, probably when you want to sell it, you cannot sell it for that high price. So it's better actually to consult us, to talk to us, and we can guide you, we can assist you, we can help you to take the most out of your home. Thank you so much, and please go ahead, subscribe, if you like this video, if this is valuable to you, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends, with your family members, coworkers, colleagues, neighbors, people in your community. That will help us to do more business, and naturally you are helping us to help the orphans that we are sponsoring, the orphanages around the world. Thank you so much, and let's dive in the numbers to see what was going on in last month and compare it with the previous year. So total of 13 months, we're gonna show you the numbers. All right, so let's see what's going on in the real estate market and see the data. Before going into data, let me read you this quote from Institute for Luxury Home Marketing. It says, branded residences will continue to crowd the luxury real estate market heading in the new year, as most high-end hotel chains, including St. Regis, Ritz-Carlton, Four Seasons, Waldorf, Astoria, Amman Resort, Rosewood, and Mandarin Oriental, sell their version of Home Sweet Home. On the other hand, restaurants like the automobile, different kind of restaurants, automobile and home goods names are on board too. It means they're selling too, such as Cipriani, Nobu, Bentley, Aston Martin, and Baccarat. So what kind of idea you get from this quote? Naturally, when we go downward in economy, and even before regular people, ordinary people feel it, those like branded hotels or companies, they know it before, and that's why they start selling their goods to have more cash in hand. That is the reality. I know we haven't felt it yet in real estate market that much. Probably you felt it just a little bit in luxury market, but not many people actually feel that way. They think, well, especially in past few weeks, the price of some houses, mostly in premier market, went up a little bit, just slightly. And they think, well, probably the economy is good, it's not too bad, that they say. I hope so. I hope that's true. However, it's better to be prepared and get ready. When the economy goes down, then you're ready for it. Okay, let's look at the numbers and see what was going on in past months and in past 13 months compared to last year. Days on market definitely went up on luxury real estate market for single family homes, but on attached homes, attached luxury homes, moved down a little bit. And price per square foot in luxury real estate market for February, naturally we talk about a month before. And by the way, when I record a video at the end of the current month, or sometimes even early the next month, I talk about the month before, or sometimes by the time you get this video, it's going to be about 2 months before. I talk about 2 months before. The reason is because the numbers comes out, especially for luxury real estate market, it comes out very late at the end of the next month. That's why we're a little bit behind. Anyway, so price per square foot was a little bit higher than the previous month, $509 for attached, and $432 per square foot for detached single family home, which compared to January this year was a little bit higher, and compared to last year February for single detached family home is a little bit higher also. However, I hope it stays like that. But from end of second quarter, maybe we see some changes, especially in the third and fourth quarter. The reason is because the government wanna control the inflation at any cost. So naturally, when the interest rate goes higher, the unemployment goes higher also. So when the rate of unemployment is higher, then we see more effect of that problem in the economy. So just keep it in mind. All right. Sales price versus list price for single detached family home, the upper graphs. Still, there is a big gap between the list price and the real sold price. And that's why it's very important to consult me. And so we price your home strategically when you sell it. So you're not gonna see that big gap from listing to selling. And we use the specific strategy of selling house. And for attached, the gap is much smaller than the detached single family home. However, it's the sold price was still lower than the list price. Let's look at the numbers for February. Median list price in February this year was 1.65 million, and February last year was 1.795, so definitely lower. And median sales price, that was list price, the first one, and median sales price was not a big difference actually compared to last year. So as you see, this February is 1.335 and last February 1.353, just slightly lower. Median sales price to list price ratio this year was 97.6% or 0.67%, and last year was 100%. So last year, most of the houses, luxury houses, were sold for the list price or close, very close to the list price. Total sales ratio was this February 22.2%, which is totally different than the ratio last year. So it means the total houses are sold or were sold in February this year were much less than last February. Median price per square foot, not a big difference, just a little slightly higher than last February. Total inventory, this is interesting that the inventory is 43,000 for February, and February last year was 22,000. So almost double compared to last February. And new listing is slightly higher, 13,000 compared to 9,000 or 9,500 last year. Total sold, however, is less than before. So when you see the days on market is increasing, you know that the number of sold houses compared to last year is less than last year. Median days on market, this February was 40 days and last February was 13 days, and average home size, actually it's close to last year. So basically the average size was sold, it was 3,200 square foot. This is the continuation of the previous slide. So this is just the numbers. We talked about the differences. Here I have the exact number. New listings went up by 3,600. Total sold was down by 4,500. And median sales price went down by 18,000, almost close to $19,000. And days on market went up by 27 days compared to last February. And sales ratio went down by almost 42% compared to last February. So that's why I'm telling you that's most likely, hopefully not gonna happen, but most likely by end of the second quarter, and especially in the third and fourth quarter, the home value or the house sold for less dollar amount than before, and it will affect the market. So that's why it's very important. Actually, if you want to sell your house, just let me know so we can list your house as soon as possible. Well, before that we need to make it ready, and then we're gonna list it and sell it as soon as possible so you can get the most for your house. In different markets in Colorado, this is for the single family. As you see, the type of market is changing. Before, last year or last couple of years, and even last couple of months, most of the markets were sellers market. Now, for single detached family, we have only Denver and Douglas County sellers market. The rest are buyers and balanced. And for attached, it's a little bit different story. We have more sellers market still, like Boulder, Denver, Douglas County, Durango. Durango is buyer. Summit County and Telluride were sellers market. So for attached luxury homes, still the market is hotter than the single family. However, it doesn't matter if you have single family, detached single family luxury house, or you have attached luxury house. Probably now it's a good time to sell it. Just go ahead and contact me so we can list it and sell it for you as soon as possible, and higher than the traditional market, because as you know, we do our strategy, and we sell houses actually for higher. So go ahead and contact me. Even if you don't sell your house right now, I can come to your home and talk about it and see what's your plan for, I don't know, next weeks, months, even next few years. And we can come up with a good plan so you have enough information to make your informed decision and move forward with your life. Go ahead and contact me through email, text, or call. And if we cannot pick up the phone, please go ahead and leave us a message, and we will return your call as soon as possible. But you can text me and you can email me with your questions and the information you need. So I'll be glad to come and meet you and talk about your plans, and you can come up with a good plan for your life. Thank you so much for watching, and please go ahead, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to our channel so you're not gonna miss any videos, any market updates, and please go ahead and share it with your friends, coworkers, people in your community, neighbors, whoever you know who can take benefit out of our special program for selling houses and buying houses. That benefits actually your friends, your family members, your neighbors, your people in your community, and benefits us business-wise, and we can help more orphans that we sponsor the orphanages, as you know. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video.